So this is the main page of the Napizia dictionary, where I try to give a brief overview of the project, explain its main features, tell you that we're annotating the dictionary with grammar, poetry, proverbs, and examples. I invite you to help us. Scroll down a little bit. I've got the dictionary menu on the bottom, documentation menu on the bottom, features, about, and back at the top I have the same menus so you can easily navigate. And what we want to get to today is we want to get to the translator. So let's go right here to the Sicilian translator. And it translates from Sicilian to English, or from English to Sicilian. And sometimes it's going to translate quite well. So for example, it comes from Palermo. It's going to translate as Vieni di Palermo, which is perfect. And even sometimes even longer sequences. So for example, Gli soci di Barba Sicula conoscono tanti poeti. The members of Barba Sicula know many poets. It's going to translate as the members of Barba Sicula know many poets, which is perfect. But other times it's not going to translate so well. So for example, she was born in Sicily in 1945. It's going to translate as she was born in Sicily, which is obviously an error because this should be the year, not Sicily repeated. Or for example, he worked on a farm, which is going to translate as he worked on a machine, which got half of it right, but this is clearly not. The reason why it's making these errors is because the translator only has about 7,700 examples to learn from. It needs much more than that to make these errors go away. So if you go to the explanation that I have here, and if you scroll down a little bit, there's a table by Conan Knowles here that explains how translation quality improves with more parallel text. So the source sequence that they have here, a Republican strategy to counter the re-election of Obama, is translated into Spanish at varying levels of text. So here, where the translator only had a few examples to learn from, the translation is poor. But as they add more parallel text to the training data, the translation becomes perfect. So that's what we need. We need more examples for the translator to learn from. But if we go back to the top here, and if we go to the translator page again, there's one thing that we know. We're learning Sicilian.